guys, so this used to be the old desk, as you can see right here. So right here, this is the new IKEA. This is the new IKEA tab that I get. It looks like a really sand down and really polished type of wood surface they put on this, and you have like the corners, they are all white. I got four black legs. I got the extended leg because hey, I'm kind of tall, and the regular one that I have, which is like if you would have got it as a combo, the tab and the leg included, they are not extended leg, and they are just regular leg, about 8 inches I believe. Not exactly sure, but that's something you guys can go ahead and check on your own. And they also included, I mean, I asked them, I'm hoping, they say that all the screws going to be in there. So later on you guys going to see about that when I open everything. I went to that one warehouse. I got this chair right here, but then I ended up realizing that wasn't originally I was supposed to get an actual gaming chair, and I went and got this one to save money and be like, yeah, I think it's a good deal, blah blah blah. But then I realized that was a wrong decision. When I sit on it, you know, lasting for about an hour, I'm already feeling it like it's not that comfortable for me. It's a great chair. It's great. Like you can see, it's already starting to have like, maybe not, that's not any like dirt spot, but it's eventually going to get dirty and easily. You see this? See? And fear of that's it right here. I do have a power drill. So, and then you can all the way down. Okay, so now you have all of them like already in, and all you do is just keep going. That part right here, you just want to screw it in like this. You don't want to just keep forcing it, like put all your strength into it. Like right now, it's pretty good. All you want to do is you want to turn to the left to unlock. This might take a little bit to fully unlock, but just keep doing it. Turn it to the right, it's locked in. And one last thing that I want to point out is using this tape measure. This is the final look, you guys. The chair right here. And a thumb mount, my headphone, a 25 keyboard, my DJ controller, the wireless pad, you have a Logitech mouse, and the most important piece, the laptop. And you have this right here where I usually will be connected to laptops and use it as my external USB port. I'm super excited for this upgrade.